We lifted.
Yeah. Clearly we did.
That is a loose. That is
quite loosened.
Did you get it? Did I get what?
Girl.
The phone. Oh,
Hit
it's
it.
in my pocket.
I got it going.
Hit it. Up on top. Higher. Higher. Higher.
Go, go, go.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Well, it's gone.
Everyone.
I got everyone but you. Chris, you gonna take it down?
She seems determined. Rough job? Give her is her job.
Oh, Bill, I thought you were fixing to get
I
it.
don't know what she
I
does.
was trying to see. Let's hold that son of up.
I don't get it. That should have.
There you
That
go.
was good. Get it.
There you go.
Come on.
Harder. One more. It's going down. One more. I like one more.
You should keep saying one more.
You see the pattern here.
Yeah. This isn't one too pinata.
That is about to come down. Oh yeah.
It's gonna break before it comes down. Okay, someone else.
Yeah.
I'm old. I'm worth one big one hit.
I'm not even worth that. I'll throw my back out.
I know. That's, so will he.
Yeah, it stopped anything now.
Well, we're taking chunks out, so eventually you'll have to.
Eventually it'll spin or
Somebody grab the axe so we can actually axe this thing. You want to axe it a question? That's not going to
Did you say grab your ass?
My question.
Sharpen it again. It needs more.
I like that duct tape. Who did that?
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Take all of them. What are you doing?
Just in case.
We had to at a point.
It was an electric tape before that.
That is not doing anything at all. Carlos, just get out.
It's not real. It's gonna- actually sharp at all. Are we going to axe it?
Yeah,
we're gonna
axe it.
Ask it a question.
First week.
Now we can't put that on on Facebook that we're asking it a question.
This side.
You okay?
Sorry, you got another foot.
Leather boots. We're good.
Weren't you the one that hurt your hand a while ago?
I think everybody heard.
Accident prone here.
I still think if you hit lower, you
I feel like
should not.
that's not helping anything.